So now let's talk a little bit about how to manipulate your exhibit sticker once you have it placed. For example, let's say someone has stickered this with a depot exhibit. It's the incorrect sticker. We don't need that one. To delete it, you click on it, and you'll see whenever the little dots pop up around the exhibit sticker that you can manipulate it at that point. So click on it and then hit the delete key, and that'll get rid of that exhibit sticker. And then we can see here somebody has placed it, but it's over the text. It's not where we want it. So again, we click on the exhibit sticker, and if we hover over the middle, we'll get the little move arrows. So just hold your mouse key down and drag it into place where you'd like it to be. And then that's good. And as long as you don't flatten this, and flattening means burning the sticker in, there's a process for that, which we cover in another video. As long as you don't flatten it, these stickers remain, kind of movable and malleable. Let's say that you have a document that has been rotated incorrectly in a set. We get these all the time, and you don't want to go through and rotate the documents themselves. What you can do is you can place your exhibit sticker, and again, click on it, and then in the center dot is the rotate key. So we can rotate this around to where we want it, and then get it kind of straight, let go, and then move it. And if I didn't get it quite straight, I can come back in here and work with it just a little bit more too. So that's better. And again, if I want to delete, I just hit the delete key and I delete. So going back up to this one, let me show you a way that you can resize your sticker individually. So if you place a sticker and let's say it looks super small, it means that your document, or you're like perhaps a set of blueprints or maps, things that are really, really large when they're scanned, your sticker is going to look really small. If you have an individual case where you just need your sticker to look bigger, you can just click on the exhibit sticker and drag the sticker to be as large as you want. And you can also, in the reverse, you can make it smaller if you want to. Now that is a one-off. That's how you handle it if you have an exhibit that you need to manipulate the size. We now have a feature. Let me delete this one by hitting the delete key. We now have a feature that's a universal scaling feature. So if I get a set of maps that are huge, 100 of them, and I have to sticker them all, then I can come in here and get the appropriate size. You may have to test it to see what's the appropriate size, but let's say 200% would be the appropriate size here. I can test it. Let me just give it a different starting number. Select OK. And then now whenever I go to place these stickers, I've told it, look, this set's going to be extra large. So give me an extra large sticker, and I place it, and then there you go. Let's see how much larger that is. All right, let's say that you get this set, and then all of a sudden we learn that this isn't actually Exhibit 52. It should be Exhibit 57, for example. What you need to do is there's no way to go into this sticker and change the number. So really what you just do is you delete it, you go into your properties, and I think we said 58, I'm not sure, but let's say 58 now. Tell it the number that you want it to be, hit OK, and if you have your K key enabled, you hit it. Now it's giving me the old number, but when I place it, it's going to have the new number. So that's how you would correct a number. You just literally have to just delete the exhibit sticker and then set the properties the way you want, and then hit it again.